Here is the English translation. We've already put together such a trendy large necklace with a large number of thin chains wrapped around it. This time, I propose assembling an equally trendy necklace, but this necklace is significantly calmer, It can even be called somewhat minimalistic to some degree. Okay, let's not drag it out. Let's start assembling. We'll need shiny crystal beads of irregular shape. This will be the basis of our necklace. As usual, we need wire, a few hematite beads, and a chain. I literally have leftovers here. I'll start assembling from the middle of the necklace. So to begin with, I'll put a hematite bead, then the chain. By the way, it has cast links, so it won't go anywhere from the wire. Now let's start stringing the crystal beads. They are very small, so it will be difficult to string them one by one. We string them right off the thread onto the wire. After I've strung the required number of beads, there are 20 pieces here. I put on a hematite, bead and thread the wire through a chain link again. And I continue stringing the crystal beads. Now I cut the wire to start assembling the necklace from the other side and also from the center to the edge. The chain pattern relative to the center will be asymmetrical for me. After I'm done with the chain, all that's left is to string an equal number of beads on both sides of the necklace. After that, all that's left is to close the ends. For this, as usual, we need a crimp and a protector. We thread the wire through the crimp first, then the protector, then back through the crimp. We crimp it and hide the wire end in the beads. Now we do the same on the other end. We put on a crimp, then a protector, then a crimp. We put on a crimp, then a protector. Then I put the clasp on the protector. And after that, I thread the wire through the crimp. I hide the wire end in the beads. And then using the tools, I pull the wire end so that all the beads on the necklace close into a circle. I crimp it and cut off the excess wire.